Today I will show you my trick how to put reinforcement on a PVC profile bar. Hi, I'm Julian, CPO at Ottobock, and welcome to O&P Workshop Insights. After bending the lancets and grinding them very smooth, we need to put the PVC profile on top of the lancets. Therefore, we will measure the length, cut the PVC and heat it carefully with a heat gun. Put the temperature a little bit lower and then just heat it up carefully. And then put the PVC in the direction you need on top of the lancet. Make sure that there's an overlay minimum to this area and wait till the PVC is getting cold. If the material is cold, put on some gloves and then use super glue to fix the PVC on the lancet. Just one drop and then it's fixed. For the next steps, you need to remove the screws and take off the lancet with the PVC. Now I go to the machine room to grind the PVC a little bit nicer to have a nice surface for the carbon. So, if you use the reinforcement, please make sure that the area behind the knee joint is out of reinforcement. So the metal can move a little bit and can be more flexible. My reinforcement is 1 layer of unidirectional carbon fiber and 2 layers of 45 degrees carbon fiber. For the unidirectional carbon, I use the smallest tube we have, stretch it a little bit, look how long do I need the carbon, and then just cut the carbon the right length. I leave the carbon a little bit longer because later I can easily cut a little bit more. And then I remove lancet and put carbon over the whole thing. And the last centimeter I leave out of reinforcement to get a little bit movement. So now the unidirectional layer is finished. Now I will put 2 layers of the stockinette on top. Give it also a little bit longer here. And to pull this over the PVC, push it together, finger inside, and then just took it over the other layer. Now I have the material double and again push it together as much as I can. So I have a bigger hole in here. That makes it much easier to put it over the bar. And now just pull it, so getting tightened again so that it looks at the end like this. Now for the next step, we want to fix the carbon in a correct position. And now just wrap around the carbon to fix the carbon in a right position so nothing can move. Here you can feel where the PVC is ending. So, and in this point you go back, cut and connect it with the beginning. Now the reinforcement is done. Put it back into the knee joint. Have a look if it's still in the correct position. Cut the carbon 1 or 2 centimeters from the edge of the orthosis. So, finish! The upper part is done. And you can do it the same way now with all the rest of the parts from the orthosis, so you have a nice preparation of the lamination later. For other videos, follow our YouTube channel, Ottobock Professionals, subscribe and leave a comment or question below.